Hello everyone, today I share with you a popular dish, steamed river fish in coconut cream and mushrooms. Very delicious, and normally we have this on special occasion or gathering, like last time at my mother's that day celebration. But you don't need to, you can eat any day, any time when your heart desires. So please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. I share with you everything I know. So we make 4 tables. So we have 4 fish here, and clean up and marinated. If you want the list of marination, head to the description box below. So you steam the fish and you stir fry the mushroom and add coconut cream. Before that, you stir fry garlic and shallot for fragrance. And after that, just add to the fish. On top of the fish, we still have green onion oil, onion cones, and cilantro. Look very nice. And when you eat, you heat the plate. This is a heat-proof plate. So the fish will be hot, and you eat it with vegetables and rice papers, and dip in sweet and sour fish sauce or soy sauce. This is the rice paper, and this is accompany vegetables, lettuce and herbs and cucumbers and everything. When you eat, you take one rice paper, pick up some fish, add some vegetables, and dip in sauce, and voila, it's so delicious and so easy to prepare. So please give it a try and let me know how it goes. Or if you have any question, please place in the description comments below. Thank you. Bye bye, see you soon.